In your opinion, if a Filipina moves to the West, will it ruin her? How about you? Let's say you had a foreigner husband, foreigner partner, and then you're going to move abroad. Do you think you'll change? What's your opinion about people who say the Filipina will become westernized and leave her husband? Hi everyone, my name is Lorie and welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. Many people say never bring your Filipina to the West because it will ruin her. Well, in today's video, we are going to interview Filipinos from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and get their opinions about this topic. So, let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. In your opinion, if a Filipina moves to the West, will it ruin her?
I think po it depend po it depend to the situation po. If his or her husband po is treating her well, then I think it's not gonna be worse po. And if the country po is like for example welcoming po the Filipina. So I think po there's nothing ano naman po can be worse na mangyayari or it can happen.
So the Filipina wouldn't change at
Yeah.
all, right? She's gonna remain like a Filipina.
Yeah. Yes po.
In or out.
Yeah.
Okay. But do you think how about if she found like new friends? You know, like let's say Western friends. Do you think she's going to change or it will ruin her?
I think po, again po, it's depend po sa situation. Then, if, um, for me po kasi, we have, different, characteristic po and,
What is your answer? Is it yes or no? Will it ruin her? Yes or no?
no po, for me, no.
In your opinion, if a Filipina moves to the West, will it ruin her?
I think it doesn't matter, but it's either Filipina,
Okay, yes or no po, ma'am? Do you think it will ruin her? Like, is she going to change for worse? You know?
I think it's no,
No. Why do you think so, ma'am? Why do you think it's not? I mean, no.
because Filipina is it's a kind of girl that it's he stick on what
She stick on like
what
if whoever she is, right?
whatever she is.
Oh. So if she's like a kind girl, sweet girl, she's not gonna change like that.
Yes, I think so.
In your opinion, if a Filipina moves to the West, will it ruin her?
Actually, I don't see it as a disadvantage if you change, if you move to different countries and you will change into different person. But actually, if you will change, it depends on you if you will change for the good or for anything bad personally.
So your answer is it yes or no? Do you think Filipina will change?
Yes, definitely.
In your opinion, if a Filipina moves to the West, will it ruin her? Yes or no?
I think yes for the panlabas, but for the attitude, I think no.
Physical, yes. She said Filipina will change, but what's inside, it will stay what's inside, right? How about you? Let's say you had a foreigner husband, foreigner partner, and then you're going to move abroad. Do you think you'll change?
I think no for my attitude no, because if you are a Filipina, you know about your heart is yung Tagalog. Yung pagiging mabait mo po. Syempre tayong mga Pilipina mabait tayo, 'di ba? So hindi po 'yun magbabago sa kapwa natin. Then don't know.
Okay, so for her, Filipinos are very kind. So
Yeah.
she thinks she's not gonna change. She's gonna be, kind still. And how about if she found friends, like new friends, Western friends? Do you think she will change? Do you think she will be westernized?
Change po like for ano po, hindi naman po for worse, but Of course, change po siya because iba na po yung situation niya po or ang surroundings niya.
Oh, so she said, yes, she might change because of their surroundings, new
Culture.
people, new culture, new country. So, yes, she might change. I see, but not for worse. Would you like to give message to those who say the Filipinas will become westernized and leave their husband?
For the people po who say that ano po let the person po be herself na lang po, like wag na lang po pakialaman kasi po may ano naman po may kanya-kanya naman po tayong like po decision. So if magbago po siya for herself, so let her or him be na lang po.
So she said that let's mind our own business. If she wants to change, then so it be. How about mom if she had, or she met new friends, like let's say Western new friends, do you think they will influence her to become westernized?
My friends, for example, my friends, yes. She adapt the culture in that country, and also sorry.
And that's it, ma'am, or kay Tagalog.
So, yung mga friends niya dun, ma'am, na-adapt niya talaga yung culture doon. Tsaka yung parang naging siya, liberated siya. Dawi, parati na siyang nagtutupis, mga ganon.
So that's your friend, right? From here, from the Philippines. So she has a friend and she became liberated. Now she's wearing two-piece like that. Mhm.
Wherein, dati hindi naman, ma'am, mga ganon.
Okay, wherein before she's not like that. She's like very like conscious, like very Filipina.
Filipina. But now, she's so, change na, ma'am. Nag-change na siya.
I'm just curious, ma'am. How about you? Let's say if you had a foreigner husband or partner, would you change? Ma'am, come here. I'm not gonna bite you or something.
I think so.
What do you
I
mean?
think so.
You're gonna change?
The way I wear, maybe.
Oh, like
Ah.
physically.
Yes, of course.
How about emotionally, like your attitude and everything, like the way how like like you become very sweet, let's say, like that. Do you think would you will change?
I think so kasi ma'am, syempre pag parati mo kasama yung tao, parang adapt mo yung niya, ugali niya.
Oh, so she said if you are with someone like every day, so there's like a tendency that you will adopt his attitude. I see. So you said that you will change, right? Emotionally or physically, like that. Oh, but do you think you will change like your friend, like she's like like wearing
No,
not
no.
that kind of.
not that kind of aspect, ma'am. Kasi I'm medyo ako, ma'am, sa pananamit.
You're more like conscious.
Just on wearing dress, yes po.
Okay, I see. For the last question, ma'am, what's your opinion about people who say the Filipina will become westernized and leave her husband? Some people when let's say she went abroad and then some of the Filipinos
I
are even
agree with that because Filipina is very sa minamahal nila. Yung loyal and faithful sa tao.
Stick to one.
Stick to one. Yun.
So when the Filipina loves a person, she really loves it, like right?
Yes, of course.
So you don't like you disagree to those people saying those kind of stuff.
Yes, I disagree of those people.
How about you? If you're like if you have, a foreigner husband, let's say, and then you move abroad, let's say US, would you change for better or for worse?
I think for better, simply because if I love the person, I will change for him for us to enable to communicate well.
Okay, how about physically? Do you think you'll be, influenced by, Western people to change something different?
I think yes, like para madagdagan po yung confident, 'di ba? Kasi mga Filipina, alam niyo naman po 'yon, may yung kulay nila, may itim. So baka mag-change din sa like pag skincare dito sa Pilipina kasi maano lang 'yun eh. So 'yun ako.
Okay, so maybe yes, especially the physical, like the skin color, because Filipinos are not, what do you call this? Like not confident enough, right? Okay, so maybe physical. What's your opinion about people who says that the Filipina will become westernized and leave her husband?
Okay lang Tagalog. Ang masasabi ko po is inggit lang 'yan.
They're just jealous.
Yeah, then actually po, hindi mo po kailangan makinig dun, sa sasabihin nila. Kasi if mahal mo if mahal mo yun, so siyempre yung heart mo yung pakikinggan mo. Then hindi mo kailangan talaga ng kahit na opinyon ng kahit na sino man na tao. Kasi ikaw mismo makakakilala sa sarili mo. Yun
Okay.
lang.
So what she said is, she's not gonna mind those people, right? What they say, because if you know from your heart that you love your husband, your partner, then you're the only person that who could tell. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
Oh, how long have you been single?
2 years.
2 years. Are you still studying?
No, I'm working student.
Working student.
Night high. Mag-i-enroll pa lang ng night high.
You're not studying right now. Okay, but you're working.
Yeah.
May we know what's your job? What's your job? Is it a secret?
Yeah.
She's working in the evening. That's what
Yeah.
she said. Okay. I don't want to hear anything. Oh, I don't want to hear anything. But just working in the evening, guys. Okay. I don't want. Okay, I don't want to ask her a lot. But thank you so much. Salamat.
Okay po.